absolute certainty. It's crucial to understand. The AI isn't maliciously lying. It's operating on probability. It's predicting the next most logical word based on patterns, and sometimes the most probable word sequence leads it astray into pure fantasy. Now that we know what it is, let's explore the core reasons why AI forgets reality and begins to weave fiction. One major factor is the sheer volume of training data. LLMs are fed petabytes of information from the entire internet. When data is this vast and often conflicting, the model's internal representation of truth can become blurred and unreliable. AI models are primarily optimized for linguistic fluency. Their main job is to generate human-like text. Factual accuracy is a secondary concern, meaning a smooth, confidently structured lie often scores higher than a hesitant truth. The consequences of these hallucinations range from frustrating to catastrophic. Let's look at some of the weirdest and most high-profile examples.